Hi guys, welcome back to English Hangouts, a platform where we try to improve our spoken English, as English language is the language of communication. As at such, we should be proficient to some extent on our usage of English language. So today, for this week and subsequent weeks, we will be looking at some common errors in expressions and the standard form. So today we want to look at just 8 expressions, the non-standard variation as well as the standard variation. Shall we proceed? Number 1. So if you look at these 2 expressions on the whiteboard, you are in my line of sight, you are blocking my view. You are blocking my view here is a non-standard expression. The standard expression should be you are in my line of sight, not you are blocking my view or you are blocking me. This is common among the secondary school students as well as those who are in the labor markets. So the standard expression is you are in my line of sight, not you are blocking my view. The second expression is so if you look at these second expressions on the whiteboard also, we have a word for the wise is enough. A word is enough for the wise. The standard expression, the standard variant is a word for the wise is enough. As it is well known that idioms have fixed expression. Therefore, the expression should be fixed. We are not expected to move those words from one area to the other. Therefore, a word for the wise is enough is the standard expression, not a word is enough for the wise. Are we progressing gradually? I believe we are. Number 3. He who pays the piper calls the tune. Expression 1, which is A. B. He who dictates the piper calls the tune. So if you look at this expression on the whiteboard also, we have the standard variation as well as the non-standard variation. He who pays the piper calls the tune, not he who dictates the piper calls the tune. The appropriate lexical item that is expected to be found wanting in such expression is pays and not dictates. He who pays the piper calls the tune, not he who dictates the piper calls the tune. The fourth one, which is number 4, is this particular expression is common among youth, is the use of double dating and to timing. Look at this expression on the whiteboard. Number 4. Are you sure he is not to timing? Are you sure he is not double dating? If you look at these two expressions on the whiteboard, just like I said earlier that it is common among Nigerian youth, the use of to timing and double dating. This second expression is common among Nigerian users. Are you sure it's not double dating? Double dating is a non-standard expression, a situation whereby a lover is unfaithful to his partner. It is called to timing, not double dating. Therefore, this is wrong. This is the correct expression. Are you sure it is not to timing? To timing is a situation whereby a lover is unfaithful to his or her partner. So the appropriate lexical item there is to timing, not double dating. The question you should now ask me is, when then can we use double dating in an expression and such expression will be a standard expression? That will be the 5th expression. The couples would be double dating next week. 2. The couples would be going out next week. So if you look at the whiteboard very well, we have the first expression as the couples will be double dating next week. The couple will be going out next week. Double dating is a situation whereby two couples, that is, two couples, altogether we have how many participants there? 4 couples, a husband and a wife, a husband and a wife. Here we have what? 2 couples. In that situation, we have 4 persons here. If some number of couples will be double dating, it means that they are going for a romantic or a dinner. They are going for what? A romantic dinner. Therefore, in that context, we can have double dating. We cannot use going out in this context. This expression here is wrong. Why this is appropriate? In a situation whereby married man, a married man and a married woman, another married man and another married woman, they can double date in that context. They cannot go out. Am I communicating? They cannot go out. They will double date. Because we have a lover, another lover, a partner and another partner. In that situation, they can double date. Therefore, the first one has to do with to timing, while this has to do with double dating. That is expression number 5. Moving on to our 6th expression for the day. This is common among the youth also. Is this expression of he had the girl to disrespect his father. Two, he had the mind to disrespect his father. So the word girl simply means having the tenacity to do something. It is not mind. He had the girl to disrespect his father is the standard expression, not he had the mind to disrespect his father. The moment we have mind here in this expression, in this context, that particular expression is a non-standard variant. The standard variant is he had the girl to disrespect his father. I believe we are on the same page. Number 7, which is another common errors among second language user or second language learners, is don't take it personally. Don't take it personal. If you look at this expression, don't take it personally, don't take it personal. The standard variant is don't take it personally, not don't take it personal. The appropriate lexical item that you're expected to have in that sentence is personally, not personal. Don't take it personally, not don't take it personal. And finally, he asks his father for transport fare. The first expression. B, he asks his father for fare. If you look at these two sentences, he asks his father for transport fare. He asks his father for fare. A fare is an amount of money paid for a transportation. It may be money paid in form of tickets in order to have the chance to be part of those that will travel in a particular vehicle, in a particular transit bus, in a particular railway. That is fare. The moment you have transport to fare, that particular expression contains what we call redundancy. Redundancy. Therefore, we are not expected to have transport fare in a standard expression. What you should have is fare. Therefore, the first sentence here is a non-standard expression. The standard expression is this. He asks his father for fare, that is, for money that he or she will use for transportation. That is what a fare stands for. You should not use transport with fare. So, these are the 8 common errors among second language learners. And I believe if we stick with the standard variation of this expression, we will have good control of English language, and the sky will always be our starting point. Do not hesitate to engage this video. Do have a lovely day ahead.